Stir-Fried Water Mimosa with crispy pork.
Today we're gonna cook the stir-fried crispy pork with the water mimosa. So our ingredient is gonna be super basic today and it's gonna taste good for sure. The first of all, we're gonna go with the mimosa, the water mimosa. In Thai we call กระเฉดน้ำ. The next one is gonna be crispy pork. This one is gonna be homemade, maybe not pretty crispy, but I think it's a good. And yeah, we're gonna have a few sauce. So basically right now, we're gonna get ready to the garlic and the chili. So today we're just gonna use 2 chili, just not too spicy. So we're gonna get ready. Just to be the easy way, we're gonna put everything together. I'm gonna put the crispy pork on top of the vegetable. The pork that we made is still pretty juicy, so I think that should be good. So and then I'm gonna put the garlic and the chili on top of it, like this. And yeah, today we're gonna make it so simple. So we're gonna put all the salt on top of this. The first one we're gonna go with the sugar. Sugar, I'm gonna go with around 2 tablespoons. And we're gonna go with the fish sauce. So basically fish sauce we don't need a lot, so maybe I just gonna go with a half tablespoon, just a little bit. And next we're gonna go with the soy sauce. We're gonna use the thin soy sauce for today. The thin soy sauce is just also just a little bit. Also like half tablespoon. And the last one is, oh no, it's not the last one, so it's gonna be oyster sauce. For the oyster sauce, I think I will go with 2 tablespoons should be good. I mean, later on, if you taste it and it's not enough, you can add some more, you know. You don't need to be add everything at the same time, so it's gonna be too much for your vegetable. And this one, I'm not sure what they call. I think from that bean or something. So we're gonna use
the black bean sauce.
It's a bean sauce. Oh yeah, I think it's a bean sauce. So we probably use a little bit, maybe half. I would say half tablespoon should be good. This thing is so salty, so I'm not recommend to put a lot at the first. Or if you want to put a little bit more, you should put more sugar. So for me, I think I'm good as now. So yeah, we are ready to stir fry. We're gonna get ready to stir fry right now. Yeah, let's go.
Stir-Fried Water Mimosa with crispy pork.